Hello viewers, we are at the mobile studio AVIT channel at ProAV Competence Days in Krakow 2025, and my next guest is...
Hey, I'm Petteri Partinen and I'm the Senior BDM for the IDK Europe.
IDK Europe. This is a new brand here in Poland, here in Krakow for the first time. Could you explain us what is exactly IDK Europe?
Yeah, absolutely. So the IDK is a fully Japanese brand. We've been on the market for quite some time, way over 30 years already. But this is the first time we are participating here in Krakow for this event. So what we are coming to introduce here is our brand new AV over IP solutions, a lot of solutions for the people who want to use switchers, especially with the LED walls or the multi-screen solutions.
What advantages do you propose which probably the other brands don't have?
So the main goal for the IDK has always been that we try to offer as complete solutions as possible. So even though, for example, let's take an example of our switchers. You might see that it's a normal switcher, but when you start to look more in depth, the features what are built in, the features like built-in test pattern generators, we can handle the HCCP extremely well. We have a very good scalers over there. So you would see many features inbuilt in all of our units, what you usually would see in the units which are even 2 times more expensive. So we try to offer complete solutions and more modular solutions, so you don't constantly need to renew the whole system, but instead you can have a building blocks and just build in over the years.
We could say your offer is very practical.
Yeah, indeed. It's because many of our clients, they've been starting on a reasonably small solutions, but then they are just adding blocks over the years. And because we are still manufacturing everything in our company in Tokyo, so it's the Japanese quality aspect what comes into the play.
Made in Japan.
And we are proud of it. That it's really the core value of the company, that the owners they want that we are building everything in Japan, and the quality is always the leading factor for us.
For whom do you prepare? Are you preparing the offer here in Poland for which customers?
Well, I would say that the main clientele is more like a corporate clients, so larger corporations. We are working a lot with different theaters, operas. We are working a lot with the cruise liners. Museums is one extremely large clientele for us. So worldwide, we've been doing a lot of major digital art museums all around the world. So basically every place which requires a large, scalable and trustworthy long-time solutions.
Thank you for this short interview. My guest was Petteri Partinen from IDK Europe.
Thank you.